Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make soap cream piping by rebatching a CP soap. Even if you haven't tried CP soap before, you can still make this. Instead of soap base, you just need a pure CP soap that's already been made. I use the cheese grater to shred the cold processed soap into small pieces. Add in the milk and then use candy warmer to melt it. I didn't use microwave for this method as the microwave would overheat and dry out the cream base. The temperature we use over here is about 70 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit. Once it turned into desired texture, I added in Zenny-colored paste and mixed thoroughly. You have to make sure there's no more soap chunks left, otherwise they will block the nozzle when you try to pipe. This cream paste takes half day or even 24 hours to dry when left in air. You don't have to rush and worry about it will get hardened while you're still working with it. It does give you beautiful texture and it's very easy to control. If you had tried the 2MP soap piping method from my previous videos, you will love this method more. For icing texture, just add a bit more milk to the cream paste, so the texture is a bit runny. Put it in a piping bag, cut a very teeny hole, then you could have fun practicing the following techniques, just like how we do with icing cookies. After 24 hours, the icing cream is fully dry. You could then decorate them with the rolls you piped earlier. The piping cream could be prepared a few days or even a few weeks earlier. As long as you keep it in a sealed bag, it won't get hardened. And when you want to use it anytime, just put it in piping bag to use. Thank you for watching. Remember to check out my other 2 MP soap piping video I made earlier. If there's any video you want me to make, please leave a comment down below.